Hello guys, and today I will show you how to get the new secret unit, Switchblade. It is a pretty easy method, so let's go. First, you have to play assassin contracts. I recommend the higher tiers because it gives you a higher chance to get the dice. Now this dice, the red dice, you need to obtain 4 of it and use it to make a portal. So I'll show you a clip of me getting my last 2 dice. Now after you got all 4 of the dice, you can now use this and make the secret portal. Now since Switchblade is really easy to obtain, it's really hard to make people join your portal. I even ask for help in Discords, but there is like 10 people asking for help too. So I just soloed the portal. Now if you are planning to solo the portal, I recommend you to have at least one unique meta unit. If you don't have Unix, I suggest to just ask for help in public lobbies or the Discord because you will only have 3 lives for this. And there we go, we got Switchblade. Now same as any other assassin contract units, you will just need the tokens and the stars. So Switchblade will have plus 50% attack, plus death dice, execution, and dismember. So let's evolve him. And there you go, Switchblade Deception. Now let's showcase him. So at placement, he deals around 7,000 damage, but he is only at level 78, so let's not focus on the initial damage and upgrade him. So on second move, he deals around 40,000 damage and he attacks 3 times. So on the last move, he deals around 25,000 damage and he attacks 5 times. But that animation looks like he attacks more than 5. So at max, he deals 350,000 damage and that's only on level 78. Now let's try with the buffs. First with the Oshi buff. So after that, he deals 425,000 damage. Now let's do the Orwin buff. So now he deals around 800,000 damage. Now the Griffin buff. Now he deals 1.16 million damage with all of the buffs combined. And that is all for the Switchblade showcase, and good luck on grinding.